Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today I would like to do one of Lefty Salami's single cut. He called this song Itan Anọbi. Itan Anọbi. In a nutshell, the song is about equitable justice. Nǹkan tó bá gbìn ló máa ká. A kì í gbìn ẹ̀wà ká ká àlùbọ́sà or ká gbìn àlùbọ́sà ká kẹ́wà. Nǹkan tó bá gbìn ló máa ká. Ọlọhun wá ń ṣe ọba alabosi. He's a fair judge. He's not a corrupt judge. Tó máa gbẹ̀bí fálárè, tó máa gbáre fẹ́lẹ́bí. Let's go hear the message. Ọlọhun á gbẹ̀san. Ọlọhun á gbẹ̀san rẹ̀. Jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, èkúté ilé jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, lógìnní fẹ̀sọ̀ mú. Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ilé ní ṣe. Ẹni tó sọ Ọlọ́run á gbẹ̀san rẹ̀. He will gain his reward, good blessings. Ẹ̀dá tí ò san Ọlọ́run á gbẹ̀san náà. He will gain his own or her own reward. And the drama says, jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, èkúté ilé jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, ológìnní fẹ̀sọ̀ mú. Doing bad deed, I'll go and get away with it. I'll look. More money, more get it. Snag it. Eventually, the catcher is going to catch you. Jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, èkúté ilé jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, ológìnní fẹ̀sọ̀ mú. Carefully. Boom. Let's keep going. Rabbuka. Bi-zallaamil-lil abiid. Ọlọ́run kì í ṣọba èké. Ọba ò jẹ́ tìgbà kan bọ̀kan nínú. Ọlọ́run bá ń ṣọba èké. Kò ń ṣọba tìgbà kan bọ̀kan nínú. Kò ní gbáre fẹ́lẹ́bí kó wá gbẹ̀bí fálárè. He's not an unfair judge. He's not a corrupt judge that you find among human judges. You find corrupt judges. Since eternity of man, biblical days, corrupt judges has been in existence. Wọ́n máa ṣòjóró, wọ́n á ti gbá kan bọ̀ kan inú, wọ́n á ṣe abracadabra. All of a sudden, wọ́n á gbá bí fálárè, wọ́n á gbáre fẹ́lẹ́bí. So, nǹkan tó bá ṣe, ìwà tó bá wù, nǹkan tó bá gbìn ló máa ká lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Kò sójóró bẹ́ẹ̀. Bala Rabi Mọ́mọ́dá. Mọ̀nàfíkì ti dáyé pẹ́. Ọmọ ìyá méjì kan ń bọ Ọya, ìkan ń bọ Ṣàngó. Dúdú wọn ṣòwú funfun. Àtàkókò ẹ̀ sí mọ́kànlá. tèmi àtọ̀rẹ́ mi àwa ń bí balarabi balarabi wàyára wàyárabi gbẹ̀gàn bó ṣe ńlá àti Muhammad bọ̀ wá rámọ́ ká wọn sùn lọ wọn ò mọ̀gbà tí bàá mọ́ kọjá kátù wá dìde ó lépa Muhammadu méjì ọ̀nà tán lè dúró kò lè nàyà ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ ló gbé jókòó bóyá pàjápàjá mà ní tàbí wòsẹ̀ ní ẹ̀kan ò mọ Olúwa lóye balarabi dáwọn méjì kan yára bí ó dáńgùgàgà Lefty Anọbi ọba ní ògbódùdé kan yára bí ó dàrú ẹ̀rí lólódó lànà bí my gaskiya the truthful individual gaskiya balarabi okay. In that first iteration, roll to it. Let's break it down. What was the lyrics saying? Especially when it got to the portion where Lefty Salami was reciting an Arabic prayer. We're going to go back and play it, and I'll break it down for you guys. I want you guys to take note of this right off the gate, what he's saying. Jiya lọ́jọ́ Jabaru-Ọba ẹ̀dá tí kìí ṣe alabosi. Alayhaa Rabbuka bi-zallaamil-lil abiid. Ọlọ́run kìí ṣọba èké, ọba ò jẹ́ fìgbà kan bọ̀ kan nínú. That prayer was a Quranic verse. Surah Fussilat. Surah 41, verse 46. Surah ends up with, remember the beginning of the lyric, ẹ̀dá tó san Ọlọ́hun á gbẹ̀san rẹ̀. Ẹ̀dá tó ṣèkà, òun náà máa jèrè ẹ̀. That's exactly what that surah was saying. Whoever does righteousness, nílé ayé yìí, it's for his or her own soul. Because òun ló máa jèrè ẹ̀. It's for our own soul. It's his credit. And whoever does evil deed, it's for our own soul. Nǹkan tó bá gbìn ló máa ká. O ò ní gbìn ẹ̀wà kó wá ká àlùbọ́sà, o dẹ̀ nígbà àlùbọ́sà kó kẹ́wà. Whatever you did here is for your own record, for your own good. You do good deed. Yes, you do good deed in this world, but it's actually for your own good. Ìwọ ló máa jèrè ẹ̀. Nítorí Ọlọ́run ọba ò ń ṣọba èké, kò ń ṣọba alábòsí, kò ń ṣọba figbá kan ti igbá kan bọ̀ kan nínú. He's not an unfair judge. He's not a corrupt judge. He's not a human judge. Tó máa gbẹ́bi fáláre, agbárí fẹ́lẹ́bi. Judges, humanity, We play games. It's gone as far back as the history of mankind. Wọ́n ṣòjòrò àwọn mú jẹ. Ọlọhun, Allah is the fairest of all judge. Alayhaa. Allah is the fairest of all judge. So it said it too in Surah Al-Tin. Allah is the fairest of all judge. Anybody alo ṣòjòrò abẹ́ pọtí lẹ́kìn. Lefty is saying pé wọ́n pọtí lẹ́kìn níwájú Ọlọ́run o. Nǹkan tó bá gbìn ló máa ká. So that surah, like I told you guys, Surah to Fussilat, kí ló mean? Surah to Fussilat, it literally means the surah of expounding. Expounding, what is expounding or expounded? It's surah of, when you go detail and flush things out and make things a little bit more detailed and clearer. So what in bounce on is other surah, bounce. Now it goes into detail. God ló máa ká, and it goes in detail, in depth, in plain language, so that what he was saying was above my head. I didn't quite get it. So he went in detail. He broke it down as simple as it gets. Whoever does righteousness is for his or her own soul. Whoever does evil is for his or her own soul. Because God is not an unfair judge. He's always fair to all his creations. Let's keep going. So waya Rabbi Ali Muhammad, placating God in the name of his prophet. Kèfèrí ti dáyé pẹ́, mọ̀nàfíkì ti dáyé pẹ́. Schemers, evildoers, it's immemorial. Mọ̀nàfíkì ti dáyé pẹ́. Ọmọ ìyá méjì kan ń bọ̀ ya ìkan ń bọ̀ Ṣàngó. Údúdú wọn tòwú funfun, ọ̀dàkókó rẹ̀ sí mọ́kànlá. Aráyé wọ́n pọ̀fọ̀ sí, àtèmi àtọ̀rẹ́ mi àwa ti dàlá Rabbi, yàrá wa ya Rabbi Ali Muhammada wa ya Rabbi. Àbí dènà fún iṣẹ́ ńlá tí mú wọn mọ̀ bọ̀ wá. Àmọ́ káwọn sùn lọ, wọn ò mọ̀gbà tí wọ́n mọ̀ kọjá. Rákàtù bá dìde, ó lépa Muhammadu. Ó dárin méjì ọ̀nà tán, kò lè dúró, kò lè nàyà. Ìdọ̀gbálẹ̀ ló gbé jókòó. Bóyá pàjápàjá máa ní tàbí wòsẹ̀ ní ẹ̀dá kan mọ̀, Olúwa lóye. Lára wà lára mi ọmọdá. Àwọn dáwọn méjì kan yára bí ó dàrú ẹ̀rí. Àmbàfíkì àmbàlí kì àmọ̀fí. Àwọn méjì kan yára bí ó dàrú ẹ̀rí. My guy Sikia, the truthful individual. Sikia, àmọ́ òjíṣẹ́ ńlá ayára bí Muhammada. It's simple. Let's do the drum. That's Molo who was playing. So when it's beginning, so he has to build his rhythm because it's all based on muscle memory. When you beat drums, it's based on muscle memory. And once you warm up to it, you just go in on your muscle memory. Your fingers is in sync. So what he was doing, he was warming it up, getting his rhythm going. Like a football player, he gets on the field before the match, he's juggling the ball. He just get his rhythm going, developing his muscle memory. Jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, èkúté ilé jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, ológìnní fẹ̀sọ̀ mu. Èkúté, the house rat, they're always sneakily. That's exactly how evildoers operate. Sneakily. When they're going to pick nǹkan. Sneakily. In the cover of the darkness of the night. You could tell them, sneakily. Ojú fẹ́fẹ́ ó fi move. Sneakily. Jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, èkúté ilé jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, ológìnní fẹ̀sọ̀ mu, carefully snag. When human beings are doing sneakily doing evil, eventually the judgment will carefully snag him up or her up. Jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, èkúté ilé jùrù fẹ́fẹ́, ológìnní fẹ̀sọ̀ mu. Ò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe, Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe. Ọba ni mo gbójúlé, Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo fẹ̀yìntì. Ẹnìkan kì í gbẹ̀yìn tọ́lọ́run gbàmọ̀ rí, Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo fẹ̀yìntì. Àbí àrímúmọ́ ọmọdá. Ibi wàsíjúdí, tàríbí wàsíjúdí. So the drum, tàríbí wàsíjúdí. There's another Surah verse. In Surah 96, verse 19. Surah to alayhaa. Tàríbí wàsíjúdí. Get closer to your Lord. Get closer to your Creator. Humbly get closer to your Creator. So the lyrics is going to use Surah to Fussilat, which is Surah to expound. In English, translation of that Surah title is the expounded, meaning Surah that is more detailing. It's Surah to 41, verse 46. But the drum was using Surah to 96, verse 19, Surah to alayhaa. Tàríbí wàsíjúdí. Humbly get closer to your Creator. Wàsíjúdí. Tàríbí wàsíjúdí. tàríbí wàsíjúdí àgbéjọbí ọlọ́run ò dẹ́nìkan kó má ní láríṣẹ́ ènìyàn ni ò jẹ́ ọmọ Ègúnjọbí is reference to meaning all the descendants of the foreigners, all the descendants. Ọmọ Ègúnjọbí, or they will say ọmọ Egúngúnjọbí, but in this case just say ọmọ Ègúnjọbí, comma ọlọ́run ò dẹ́nìkan kó má ní láárí ènìyàn ni ò jẹ́. Ènìyàn ni ò jẹ́. Ènìyàn is an inclusive word, which means include yourself too. You yourself, you included. Ọlọ́run dẹ́nìkan kó má ní láárí ènìyàn ni ò jẹ́. Wọ́n ń ṣe mí ni, but ìwọ náà ń ṣe rẹ̀. Because you yourself, èèyàn ni ẹ́. Meaning, when God created human being, He gave us potential. Everybody comes to this world with great potential. To get to your fruition is in the hand of human being, which includes yourself. Oh, I'm smart at memorizing. And you have good mentors. They mentor you, and then you get to use that skill for something good. It will work out for you. I'm smart at memorizing. You fall into the wrong mentors. My JIC, then you use it for wrong thing. Nigeria. Then boom. And it got snapped up in the web. And èṣù ló tàn mí sí. Èṣù ló tàn mí sí. Èṣù ò tàn sí. Èṣù I only help you facilitated your wishes. You wanted to do it. You the one that pulled the trigger. I didn't pull the trigger for you. I helped you facilitated what you wanted, but you the one that pulled the trigger. Why you still in this now? But that's when you might be makabamo. The issue about the year padà tó ti ń lọ. Ìwọ ló tọ́ mi sí, mo ò tọ́ yín sí o. You wanted to do it all along. Ọlọ́run ò dẹ́nìkan kó má ní láárí ènìyàn ni ò jẹ́. Wọ́n parọ́ mọ́ mi níbi iṣẹ́ wa ni. Kí ló ṣe? Akọ̀lọ́ ní voucher yẹn, àwọn kan tí ń ṣe game náà tẹ̀ tó débẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, but wọ́n kọ́ ní nǹkan kan tight níjà. So sister-in-law mi fẹ́ ṣèyàwó, ó fẹ́ ṣòkú yẹ, so nǹkan tight, so a lọ yí voucher yẹn ṣá bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́tì. Èṣù ló tàn mí sí. You wanted to do it yourself. You the one that wanted to go show off at your sister-in-law's event. Nigeria, jẹ́ ń bí wàá tún lọ jẹ́ lọ́run. Ọlọ́run ò dẹ́nìkan kó má ní láárí èèyàn. Àfọwọ́fà àwọn ẹ̀dá pọ̀. Rábàlá rábí alimu ọmọdá. Wọ́n ta sí mọ́kànlá, wọ́n fi dènà bó iṣẹ́ ńlá. Wàsíjúdí, tàríbí, wàsíjúdí, ríbí, wàsíjúdí, dàngùgàdà. So, tàríbí, wàsíjúdí, tàríbí, wàsíjúdí. Surah to Alaq, tàríbí, wàsíjúdí, verse 19. Wàkàtàríbí, wàsíjúdí. Surah to Alaq, 96, verse 19. Wakataribi wasijudi. Wakataribi wasijudi. Wakataribi wasijudi. Ẹjẹ́ máa bá lọ. Kò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe. This, that's for the danceability. It's for the Alajobi to roll to, because he knows they're waiting. They want to roll. They want to drop their shoulder. So he will give them that. Dangu gaga. Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo gbójúlé, Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo fẹ̀yìntì. Ẹnìkan yìí ẹ̀yìn tọ́lọ́run lóyìn bí i kókó àbámọ̀ rí bá ní mo fẹ̀yìntì. Náà bí ìdájà sí kíá. Dangu gaga. Ali Muhammada. Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo gbójúlé. Kó kábàámọ̀ rí. Yóò sí Ọlọ́run ọba kì í ṣe nǹkan kan tí. Ọlọ́run ọba ni mo fẹ̀yìntì. Ọba bí Ọlọ́run ò sí. Jùrù féfé. Fẹ̀sọ̀ mú. Ìwà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ èèyàn o. Jẹ́ ká ṣe rere. Jẹ́ ká ṣe rere. Nítorí ìdájọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ìdájọ́ Ọlọ́run ń bẹ. Nítorí ìdájọ́ Ọlọ́run ń bẹ. Nǹkan tá a bá gbìn la máa ká. O ò ní gbìn wà kó wà àlùbọ́sà. O ò dẹ̀ ní gbìn àlùbọ́sà kó wo ẹ̀wà. Allah is the fairest of all judges. You guys leave comments. You guys remain blessed. Oh, don't forget your do-re-mis. Especially those of you that are back home, get one of these. Use it for relaxation. You will catch on. You will develop your own muscle memory too. Do-re-mi. I put my hands on it flat. Re. And then I indent it hard to get my mi. You guys stay blessed.